Hello, I'm here in Winnersh, number 490 Reading Road, Winnersh to be exact, and I'd like to show you this 1930s extended 3-bedroom semi-detached behind me. We are very close to the Sainsbury's Superstore, Winnersh and Winnersh Triangle Railway Station, and of course just down the road here the A310M is literally 5 minutes drive away. Let me take you inside. Okay, so this is the entrance hall. You can see the front door there in the distance. Let me just walk forward and show you that it's almost like a sort of porch. And the staircase taking you upstairs just here with the usual understairs storage cupboard. So first of all, let me just show you the WC. That's in here, just beside the entrance. So first of all, the low level WC there. We've got a window at the front there, it's a frosted window. UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows. And then the wash basin just here with the radiator alongside. So that is the downstairs WC. Let's just take you through now. I'm going to start by showing you the lounge, which is the room in here. So this is at the front of the property, and as you can see, a very big bay window, which I'm just going to point through the window and just really give you an idea of the frontage this property has. It's a huge frontage, parking for, well, I'm guessing 8, 9, 10 vehicles. Excellent parking, and of course there is the garage as well. Let me just turn around, just give you an idea of the full extent of this room. We've got the archway here, which takes you through to almost like a sort of second area, but really connected, so could well be one big room. Originally this would have been the dining area, but of course this property's been extended, so hence the lounge and the dining rooms have been effectively knocked into one. That's why we've got such a big reception room here. And then behind me, if I just turn around, double doors opening into the extended area, which is very large. As you can see, it's got a sort of further sitting area and then plenty of space for a very large table and chairs. Really quite a big extension, this one. We are looking down the garden through the French doors. Let me just give you a quick view of what the garden looks like from the house. As you can see, big garden. So that dining area here, and it opens into the kitchen. So lots of work surface space, base units. Let me just show you the other side where we've got the range cooker. Just show you the range cooker. There you go. Doorway there, back into the hallway, and there's another window there on the side. So yeah, the kitchen opening into the dining family room. In the corner here we actually have a utility room. Very, very useful. It does give direct access to the back of the garage just there. I can't show you the garage today unfortunately because I haven't got a key, but it's a single garage. Pretty standard size. I'm just coming into the utility, turning around. As you can see, we've got washing machine space and further work surface. Just going full circle, the door taking you to the rear garden. And just moving a little bit further, we have the floor-mounted gas-fired boiler, Potterton Kingfisher. So we're on the landing now. You can see the staircase from the entrance hall. We do have a side aspect window on this landing, and then doors to 3 bedrooms and of course the bathroom. So let's start by showing you this room at the front. I think this will be the main bedroom. UPVC double glazed front window. There's the radiator underneath. Let me just step into the room and just turn around, because we do have fitted furniture here. As you can see, we've got fitted wardrobes, overhead wardrobes there, another wardrobe there, dressing table fitted just over there. Again, just to give you an idea of what's out the front, huge frontage, lots of parking as mentioned. And then just going full circle and back onto the landing, let's show you the second bedroom. That's through here, so this is at the back of the house. Again, good double room, as you'll see. Many might use this as the main bedroom. Certainly big enough to be the main bedroom, with the window there looking down the garden. You see the radiator beneath the window again. So yeah, good size double bedroom there. And then as I reverse up, turn to my right, we've got the third bedroom. So we've got this is obviously a single room being the third bedroom, but actually quite a good size. You can see just on my left here, we've got a freestanding double wardrobe. There is a built-in wardrobe just here. And again, that rear aspect window. I'm just going to step into the room, turn round, just to give you an idea of what's behind here. This is what they call a small double bed, so that's fitted in nicely. And whilst I'm here, I'm just going to point to the rear garden, just to give you an idea of what we have as a view. Big garden. In fact, they've all got big gardens along this stretch of the road. Really nice. I'll show you the garden in just a moment. Let's just show you the bathroom to finish the actual property. That's across here. So it's a white suite. Panel bath there with a fitted shower screen, as you can see. And if I just point through there, hopefully you can see we've got an electric shower unit there. Fully tiled bathroom. Just to my right, just here, we've got the wash basin. And then spinning around to my left, the low level WC. And onto the rear garden. So this rear garden, I'm guessing it's probably about 100 feet in length, probably just over. Mainly laid down to lawn. Let's just go for a wander down the garden, and I'll turn around and show you the back of the property as well. Excellent fencing all round, as you can see. Let's just turn around and show you the rear of the house, which clearly shows you the extension, and I'm just going to wander back a bit closer. So the extension on the rear, and also just down the side you may just see the utility room. So that's the extension behind the garage. Very high pitched roof, as you can see. That would indicate potential to create a loft conversion, maybe an extra fourth bedroom, further bathroom. So there we have number 490 Reading Road here in Winnersh. If you're looking for a house with a large plot, good frontage, 3 bedrooms and a really big downstairs, then this could be the house for you. If you'd like to take a look inside, give us a call. Thanks for watching.